Hello guys, Happy New Year. It's Gigi Hill here. Welcome back to our channel. I want you to please watch till the end of this video because I'm so proud of myself of what I've done. As you can see, the dingo or the skid steer loader, it bugged. The whole one side of the truck, it went straight to the trench. It's inside the trench. We cannot leave the dingo machine longer there because it will damage the water pipe. So we have to get it out as soon as we can. My husband wants me to pull it using the mini excavator, but I'm also worried if it also happened to the mini excavator. The ground, it had water lag in it, and I'm worried if I don't make it and I will cause more problem. Okay, pakulat yung experience, so kailangan may camera, may videos. So ako sinisit up ang camera before ko mag-start sa task. I want to make it sure that I will capture all the angles of it, so I have to adjust the camera. My husband asked me what I'm doing. He should know what I'm doing. I'm a vlogger. Because the ground is too soft, I make it sure that I will grip in the ground, and I have to drive the mini excavator too slow so that I will get a good grip in the ground. And in this task, we have to communicate, and a good teamwork is very important of this task. Otherwise, we will make another problem. Thank you for watching, and if you're only new in this channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.